This is Operation Sindhoor, where India strikes 9 sites in Pakistan in response to what it claims was a Pakistan-sponsored massacre in Pahalgam that killed 26 tourists. To avenge this incident, India reportedly used a mix of advanced weaponry, including a French-made Scalp missile, also known as Storm Shadow, and the Hammer, a precision-guided free-fall bomb. All in the video ahead. We'll now look at the detailed timeline of how the operation unfolded, beginning with the launch of India's fighter jets, including the French-made Rafale. At around 1:28 in the morning, India initiated precision missile strikes on 9 high-value targets located in Pakistan or Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. These targets reportedly included key locations such as Bahawalpur, the headquarters of Jaish-e-Mohammed, Mirik, known to house Lashkar-e-Taiba facilities, as well as Tarakalin, Sialkot, Bhimber, Kotli, and Muzaffarabad. The Indian Air Force deployed Rafale jets armed with Scalp cruise missiles and Hammer precision-guided bombs. The entire aerial operation lasted approximately 23 minutes, conducted with high coordination and speed. Between 1:28 and 1:51 a.m., loud explosions were reported across several cities, with power outages occurring in Bahawalpur and Muzaffarabad, adding to the chaos and confusion on the ground. The strike was believed to have originated primarily from Ambala Air Force Station in Haryana, one of Indian Air Force main Rafale bases. At approximately 2 in the morning, a formation of Rafale fighter jets equipped with Storm Shadow air-launched cruise missiles took off from possibly Ambala under radio silence. The Rafale, with its long-range and stealth-friendly profile, ascended to high altitude and maintained an oblique flight path toward the international border, skirting radar coverage while staying within Indian airspace. At around 100 to 120 kilometers from the Indo-Pak border, the Scalp missiles were launched toward pre-programmed coordinates inside Pakistan's interior, reportedly targeting infrastructure tied to cross-border terror logistics.